Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply correct home address on Google Home. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and it's without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead start our video. First of all, go ahead, access your Google Home app on your mobile phone, and then afterwards you're gonna go ahead, go to this favorite section where you're gonna find this kind of interface which asks for you to create home. If you have already created your home, then you will find that name over here on top and here as well. For you to change it, you're gonna go ahead, tap on it and make a certain change, and if that doesn't make any difference and you simply would like to change it entirely, edit it, remove it, then you're gonna go ahead, tap on the settings icon given over here, and then once you have listed your home, you will find this option called home information. Go ahead, tap on it, and now go to this home address option after that, and then you will be able to find this edit option beside it. Once you have tapped on it, it will let you have enter your address again, which is the changed one. Once you have entered that address, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this next, and then map will appear with the pin on it. You're gonna go ahead, drag that pin and simply place it, and simply you're gonna place that pin on that map according to your location, and then you will be done. That is how you can simply change it, and hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.